It basically formed a knot on the stick, and he didn't crash. Do you think it would work the same way every time?
Yes.
Should we try it again? No. I think we should try it again. Why don't you hold that, please? I'm going to have you stand back here this time. And I'm going to have you drop it this time. No. He'll do okay. Okay, so let's get a really high bridge this time. Uh-oh. Okay, so you need to hold this with one hand. Stand back and hold it right by your head. All you have to do is drop it straight down like that, okay? You don't need to throw it. Just drop it straight down, okay? So first of all, let's get it. So you pull it back nice and tight. Now you need to pull it back. There you go. So he's at the very top. Are you ready to drop it? Okay, we're going to count down. You ready, George? No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it. Angular momentum. And George didn't crash. Let's have a hand for our volunteer. This here, the guy said at the laboratory, this is a mood indicator. Do you know what that means? You do? What's it mean?
Water goes on the top and food goes to the bottom.
Something goes on the top and then to the bottom? Oh, okay. I don't know what that means either. But anyway, a mood indicator, I think it tells us what kind of a mood you're in. Like if you're happy or if you're sad. Now, everybody has like dust particles and skin particles hanging around. Did you know that? You knew that. Okay, good. And if we take those off of you, for instance, and put them in a paper towel, and if we put it in here, you got to listen. You got to listen. If we put it in here, they would tell us what if you're happy or sad. Now, if you're in a happy mood, I guess it turns a nice bright yellow glow, like these two guys right here, like their shirts. If you're in a sort of good mood, I think it turns blue, like Spider-Man's pants. If you're in a bad mood, they didn't tell me what happens. Maybe it gets cloudy and blows up. I don't know. So shall we try this? Okay, what we have to do first, I'm going to set this right over here. We have to take some dust off of you, Jonathan, so stand right over here. Put your arms out to the side. This won't hurt. It's very painless or painful. I can't remember which one. Okay, I got my special dust buster. We're going to take some dust off of you. Hold your hands right there. This is the way we dust our kids, dust our kids, dust our kids. Okay, get some off the back, some off the neck, some off the head. Woo-hoo. Let's get the other arm, get the other arm. Okay, get the feet, get the legs. Come on, stand still right there. All right, the sandal, yeah, the knees, Spider-Man, the ears, the other ear. How about his nose? Now we don't want the nose. All right, now Jonathan, you come and stand right over here, where you can watch. Yeah, stand right there. I'm going to dump this out into my paper towel, so stay right there. Let's see how much dust we got off of you. Open this paper towel up. Open up. Here we go. Whoa, got quite a bit of dust. Look at all that dust. Hey, why don't you stay there for a second, Jonathan? I got an idea. I want to do a little chemical consistency test. So I'm going to put a little bit of this dust on my little Kleenex here, tissue paper. And I'm going to use my lighter. By the way, I've been to safety school, okay? So I know how to use these and be safe. So Jonathan, step back maybe a couple feet that way. You never know. So we're going to do a test, okay? Let's do a little test. I don't know. Whoa! I don't know, Jonathan. Should we do this? Think we should do it? Let's do it. We're here. We should do it. Okay. Well, I think I better get a string, though. I don't want to get very close to this thing. Jonathan, come here. Let me show you what I need you to do. Can you hold this dust in your hand for me? Just like that. And I'm going to tie a string on this because you saw what just happened over there. So we're going to have to be really careful. So I'm going to tie a knot in this. Think I should do a single knot or a double knot, Jonathan? What do you think? Double knot? No knot at all? I think we better do some knot. Let's do a double knot. Hold it. Don't let go. Don't let go. Okay, we're tying another knot. We have a double knot. And whoop, there we go. So, Jonathan, let me show you what you need to do for me. Come here and hold the end of that string for me. Okay, now I'm going to put this in here. And when we count down to 0, you drop it. And you stand over there where you can watch, okay? And we're going to watch it turn a nice, bright yellow glow. But, Jonathan, don't move yet. You got to wait for me. Okay, we got to drop it in there, and then you go stand. You ready? You guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it in, Jonathan. Okay, stand over there. It's turning a nice, bright yellow. Ah! Oh, I thought you were in a good mood. Oh, stinky. Let's get that in there. Oh, stinky. Ooh, genie in the bottle. I thought you were in a good mood. Ooh, this got very hot. Jonathan, come here a minute. Let me show you this. Feel this. Feel how warm this got. Take your finger and go like that real quick. You can feel how warm it got. It's hot, isn't it? It's like 150 degrees. Well, Jonathan, yeah, like lava. Well, maybe not quite as hot as that, but anyway, let me show you. We played a trick on you. You probably figured this out by now. But this is an exothermic reaction. Everyone say exothermic. Exothermic means we created heat and very fast. Let me show you how we did it. We didn't take dust off of you. We used this chemical called manganese dioxide. Everyone say manganese. Manganese. Who said mayonnaise? We're not making sandwiches here. Manganese dioxide. We mixed it with hydrogen peroxide, industrial strength, and we made an exothermic reaction. And let's have a hand for Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan. You can go back and sit down over there. So yeah, that's very, very hot. What'd you think of that, Mel? I didn't like that. What's the matter? It's stinky. Stinky? Stinky. Ah, what do you know? Oh, I'm going to need some. Oh, actually, I want to show you this first. What do you think this is? Think this is something for yodeling? Maybe not. Have you guys ever heard of the musical instrument? It's called a didgeridoo. It comes from Australia. Yeah, the Aboriginals there in Australia, they take a hollow log, they blow into it, they buzz their lips, not their hips, but their lips, and they hum all at the same time. Well, actually, I was thinking of trying something else. I have this other fluid with me from Mad Science, and it, really stinks. But this fluid is also flammable. It means it catches on fire very easily. So what I'm thinking, if I poured that stinky fluid inside of here, mixed it up with all the oxygen, and then poured out the excess into a little beaker, and then take a little flame to the end of this, do you think I could make a flaming didgeridoo? Yeah. Shall we try it? Yeah. And you're going to hold this with one hand for me, please. Don't let go. You're going to hold that so I can pour that stinky fluid right in the top there, okay? So stay right there. Let me get my stinky fluid. And we're going to pour it into that. Get a paper towel over here just in case we need one. Okay, here comes the stinky fluid. Excuse me. Okay, now stay right there. Hold it right there, Sophia. Don't drop it. I'm going to get a cork and put in this end so it stays in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix up all that oxygen. If I can get this in. Hold on a second. Okay, come on, get it. There we go. Now it's in. Okay, now, Sophia, I'm going to have you hold this side right here. One hand there. One hand right there. You got it? And I'm going to hold this side. Now, we're going to mix all the oxygen by doing some dancing. Are you ready for that? I'm going to supply the music. So you ready to do some dancing? Here we go. Okay, give her a big hand, everybody. All right, Sophia, you can let go. I'm going to do a little more mixing. We're mixing up all the oxygen. We're mixing up the oxygen. What do you think, Sophia? Think that's enough mixing? Okay, one more time. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour out that excess into my big beaker right here. Beaker? Sophia, can you see it? We're going to put a flame to the end of this, and we're going to see if we can see a flaming didgeridoo. Are you guys ready for that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Should we do that again? Flaming didgeridoo! Let me tell you what happened as I'm getting ready for the next one. Now this fluid, it does really stink. Oh, ugh. You want to smell it? It really stinks. I told you it stinks. The part that you can smell, they call the fumes. Sophia, a little bit lower. I'm not quite that tall. There we go. You hold it right down there on the ground over on that side. Yeah, the part you can smell, they call the fumes. And did you know the fumes are just as just as dangerous around a flame as the fluid itself. Yeah, so what happens is once I mix this with all the oxygen, and then I dumped out the excess into the beaker, all that's left is pretty much all the stinky fumes. And when I put the flame there, those stinky fumes, they catch on fire, and all the energy as it vibrates through here made that sound. Did you hear it? Yeah, flaming didgeridoo. All right, so let's make another one, Sophia. So why don't you hold that side like you did last time? And let's do a march this time. You like marches? Yeah, let's do a march. I got a hit, I got a hit. All right, give her a big hand, everybody. What do you think? A little more?
Yeah.
One more time. Okay, now hold on to it. We're going to dump out the excess. Let it go down to the ground, please. On the ground. Thank you. We're going to dump out the excess into my beaker. I'll get that thing off. There we go. Sophia, let go. Let go. Thank you. All right. So, Sophia, come on over here close so you can stare. Okay. So, Sophia, I think I'm going to have you stand over here this time. And I'm going to have you hold on to the flaming didgeridoo. Think 0. Flaming didgeridoo! Let's have a hand for Sophia! Flaming didgeridoo! If you were going to be in the Olympics, what sport would you want to be in?
Baseball.
Baseball! Well, you know what? They don't have that in the Olympics anymore. Maybe they'll get it back. What would you be in? Running, jumping, soccer? Oh, very good. Well, you know, all athletes have to have really good balance and coordination. So we're going to work on your balance and coordination today. So let me get this thing over here. This is a rotating platform. You know why they call it a rotating platform? Because it rotates. Okay. So Jeremy, I'm going to let you go first, okay? So let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to put one foot there. Put your hands out for balance. Watch me close. Now you don't have to do it yet, but just watch. Put one foot on that side, then one foot's going to go way over here, directly across from it like this. Keep your head up for balance. Okay, let's see how your balance is. So Jeremy, really slowly, put your arms out for balance. Okay, one foot's going to go right over there. Good. And now the other one's way over there on the other side. Okay, you got your head up? Good. He's doing pretty good. Now, Joseph, right? Joseph, why don't you scoot that way just a little bit for right now, and then we're going to have you help me. But let's see how well he spins. Ooh, pretty good. He's not falling. Okay, now Jeremy, are you ready for the Olympic challenge? All right, now start swinging yourself. That's it. Whoop, don't move your feet, though. You can't move your feet. You're just twisting. Here, let me help you. Swing your arms. Swing your arms. That's it. That's it. Now you're... Keep going. Come on. Oh, gotta move your... Can't move your feet. One time. Leave your feet solid. Like this. There you go. Now he's doing it. Everybody sing. Bum, ba, ba. 2 times. See if you can get another one. Bum, ba, bum, bum. Jeremy, you're just twisting. Bum, bum. One more time. See if you can get one more time. 3. Let's give him a big hand before he falls off. All right, Jeremy, stay right there. All right, Jeremy, I'm going to have you go ahead and sit down, and there's a mad science sticker for you. Give him a big hand for Jeremy. All right, Joseph, it's your turn, but you're not going to do the same challenge. We're going to do a different challenge. I want you to sit down on this thing, crisscross applesauce. Yeah, go ahead and take a seat. Crisscross applesauce. Get right in the middle of that thing. Get right in the middle. All the way up in here. Cut across your legs. Perfect. Okay, now, you guys, by the way, when Jeremy was trying to do that, he did a good job. Some people can't even get around one time. You did, like, we got 3 for you. But I wouldn't let him move his feet, but when he moved his weight, it made him go around. So we're going to try something else with Joseph. Joseph, put your arms out to the side. Let's see how well you spin. Pretty good. All right, so...